Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. I'm excited because I'm sharing with you today 3 of the new Mintay Papers books. Now these books have been extremely popular and there has been many books that Corolla has released so far, but these are the latest 3 designs. So we've got a window book, a door book, and a Flora book 3, and this is the fall and winter collection. Let's start with the Flora book 3. There is already a Flora book 1 and a book 2, so today we're up to this one, number 3. Oh my goodness, already I'm in love. This is perfect. This will be perfect for fussy cutting and adding elements to designs. You've got lots of different types of autumn leaves here, pumpkins and mushrooms and fruit here, or I probably should say toadstools. A lovely white page, more leaves and flowers in those fall colors. Beautiful. A lovely wooden background. Here we have nuts and acorns and wheat and all sorts of natural things like a thistle flower and fall 3, and then we've got the lovely white wooden background. Now here we're moving into winter. So this is poinsettias, holly and ivy. I'm not sure what this white flower is. You'll have to let me know in the comments section below. These little berries, and on the back we've got that lovely wood, chocolate wood. Here we have winter number 2, and this has got Christmas trees, acorns, these little wood pieces and mistletoe, I think. The white on the back, and here's winter 3. We've got berries, fruits, cinnamon. Love the colours in this. The blueberry colour, the white, the red, the chocolate orange. Very nice. So they are the pages in the book. So we've got fall 1, fall 2, fall 3, winter 1, winter 2, and winter 3. So let's see, it says there's 4 by 6 designs. So there's 6 designs and you get 4 copies of each. So there's your 1, 2, 3, and 4. And at the back you've got a beautiful Christmas page there. So this is fall and winter flowers. So you've got Christmas flowers and you've got your autumn colored flowers. I'm excited about fussy cutting this book. Let's take a look now at the window book. Now, I think I'm following Corolla's obsession with windows and doors at the moment, because we actually did move into a new house 6 months ago, and yeah, I keep thinking windows, doors, I keep thinking screens, curtains, blinds, shutters, and this, if I could just fill my house with Corolla's doors and windows, my goodness, it would be beautiful. On the back of the front cover we have 2 of these shutter doors, and windows 1 we've got this blue fancy covered door and 2 windows, and then this cute little one here that opens. On the back we've got that lovely pink. Windows 2 has the arch. Now I actually have 2 of these mirrors in my living room and I love them. I wish I could have shutters, but shutters are so expensive and our windows are enormous. Every window is huge in our house. So I've had to do with other options, but let's get back to this. We've got a white square window, we've got a cream window, we've got the shutter windows. On Windows 3, this is what I want. This, I don't know what you call those windows, but I love them. this really old distressed. I have this one here with the lock. So that's windows 1, 2 and 3. This is windows 4. Got a beechwood window, a heavy dark window, the arch windows, the shutters open, very distressed window and a natural wood window. But there's more. Windows 5, 2 duck egg blue shutters, very distressed heavy wooden window there, an arch one. We've got this one here with the curtains and this one here with the curtains. And last of all, window 6, pink shutters, very distressed old shutters, a green one, a blue one, and a big window there with the black. So there's 6 designs of windows. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And there are 4 copies of each. There's so many windows in here. I've already started fussy cutting these because I can just see them on cards. Alright, let's take a look at the door book now. Now, I don't know where Corolla gets these beautiful door designs, but wow, she must really notice a lot of doors around the place. She's very, very clever with doors. On the back and the front, we've got 3 very old, very distressed vintage doors. Got a white door here, a blue door, shutter doors on doors 1. Wow, look at that one. That's beautiful. This beautiful one here, some black doors on doors 2. Wow, these are very dark. We've got very dark vintage. We've got dark blue, dark green and another blue. Doors 4, we've got a beautiful red door and a white door and a green door, Christmas colours there. On door 5, we've got another dark, beautiful colour there on that door, and then a very distressed red and white door. Oh, and we've even got a bright pink door on door 6, on door's 6th page, another white. This one here, which is starts off black and white and then goes into greens, and this one here. So you've got 6 designs with the doors, and you've got 4 copies of each. Very, very nice. So these are fabulous for fussy cutting. On the back it says about the fussy cutting: precise cutting of decorative elements directly from paper in order to obtain many interesting paper embellies. Cutting out of paper is a basic skill in papercraft. Don't be afraid to cut out. This relaxing activity will allow you to gather a lot of fantastic elements for layering techniques and creating dimensional effect in your paper creations. You can cut with a border 2 to 3 millimeters from the design or without. You can try to do it very precisely, but it is not necessary. The main thing is to find a moment of peace and the right scissors with a thin, precise tip. Happy cutting. And I do a lot of fussy cutting. It's something that I do find very relaxing, and I like to do it when I feel like I can't actually get into my craft room to create. So what's your favorite? Are you liking the Flora book 3, the window book, or the door book? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.